Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a heading into your notes on the Obsidian Notes application. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your workspace on Obsidian Notes, select the given note here on the left hand side. Let me go with this one here for example. And then guys, skip to the next line, or if you're for example in the title, by pressing enter and then right click into that field and choose paragraph and choose heading 1, 2, 3 and so on and so forth. So let me start with heading 1 and then enter the text here. Skip to the next line and then you will see that the text formatting will switch to a text body like this, but you can also convert it of course into, I don't know, heading 2 or something like that. Again, right click into it, select paragraph and choose heading 2, 5, 3 and so on and so forth. Or you may go with a text body. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.